We replaced these slow-moving rolling steel doors at George Brown College. These 30-year-old doors required frequent service calls since trucks were constantly hitting them. Our high-speed doors are up to 3 times faster than rolling steel doors. Also, rubber doors are some of the quietest doors to operate. In addition to these doors, we added custom height clearance bars to stop impacts. However, even if the door is hit, it can easily be reset without the need for a service call. The rubber door's springless direct drive operators have over 1 million cycle or 5-year warranty to ensure low maintenance costs and decreased downtime during its lifespan.